Hi guys, today we are doing a tutorial on how to shoot videos in landscape mode but actually have them in the YouTube as a shorts in a vertical mode. So to start with, what I will show you how to set it up. Firstly, you need to make sure that your camera is set to shoot videos in 4K. Turn the grids on, and then when you're shooting a video on a wide angle lens, make sure you stay in one particular grid. Now, which makes it very easy for us to kind of crop this video in the runtime. For example, if I was to shoot a particular area within that grid and I want to make a shot out of that, well, I will just make sure that it's sitting in the right spot, the subject is in the right spot, and then I just crop that section clearly. I can just go like this. Now, anything that stays in the middle, I will make a shot out of that, but in a vertical mode. So let's just keep small area focus. Now see, my camera is now here. I'm just gonna go and shoot a little bit on that. I think for tutorial purposes, I think that's good enough. Let's just take off the video and just edit it in the phone or in the Premiere Pro.